what you doing? Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over.
What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kay, also known as Kaye Lanhi, and we are kicking off another video. If you are new here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you like, comment, subscribe, stay, and share this video with everyone you know. And I do mean everyone. And if you're one of my returning friends, bring it in, boo. Give me a hug. Y'all know how we do. Y'all know how we do over here. So guys, if you've been watching me, y'all know something that I struggle with. Well, not really struggle, just wish I could change, but I'm from the old school. Back in the days, the thin eyebrows were in, and now from getting them waxed for so many years, I don't really think that, I think this is all y'all gonna get right here, guys. I think this is all you're gonna get. I done tried all type of motions, potions, creams, antidotes, whatever you can think of, and we're still here. I still don't have, they're still, I want to say, you know, just to make myself feel better, that they're just a tad bit thicker than what they were, but they not, y'all. They still thin brows. So anyway, y'all, TikTok made me do it, y'all. I've been on TikTok and I have been seeing this eyebrow stamp. So I said, you know, let me go on Amazon and try it. What I got to lose? It's called Elaimei, I think. You can see it down there at the bottom. It comes with this stamp. It also comes with about 10 molds, eyebrow molds. This is what they come. This is what they look like. They actually, when you first get it, it actually looks like this, and you have to push the middle out like so, and then you get your little mold. It comes with actually 10 molds. Each of the molds are named, so you have your name at the top. This one is called Youthful. I think the one that we're going to try is Confident. Guys, I'm excited and nervous. I was gonna do it and not film it. I was like, you know what, I like bringing my friends some news you can use, so therefore we're gonna do this together, so you guys get to see my initial reaction. You get to see it. We get to do this together, because that's what friends do. Okay, now that I have officially tore the box all the way up, let's pull it out and see what it looks like. Okay, it comes in this little tube. I went with a more brown because you guys know I wear my hair like a wine color. So, child, I'm scared to open it. I don't know which side is the right side. But y'all nervous? I am trying to. Oh, okay. So it's definitely a little stamp. You just pull the top off like so. I'm guessing you don't have to dip it into anything. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it down here at the bottom is like the little powder. So every time you put it in, it's engaged with the powder, and you can pump it. Okay. So like I said, y'all, they have different names on. I want to kind of show you guys some of the other ones. What's this? Heron. That's giving Wolverine. That's giving very much Wolverine. I'm not gonna do that one. We have here Sexy. Hey, I like the name of Sexy, but Sexy is like, yeah, no. Okay, we also have one called Queen. Speaking of Queen, don't y'all hate when the guys be texting y'all and be like, hey, my queen? You be like, bro, you low-key calling yourself a king on the cool, but yeah. I know, so off topic, but that's what we do. But I'm kind of feeling Queen. Nah, we're not gonna do Queen. We're gonna stick with the one we said. Just smooth out the front so it's not so harsh. I don't know, y'all. I don't hate it. Like, look. What y'all think? What y'all think? Put it down in the comments, guys. Let's do the other one. Why not? I think the hardest part of this is trying to hold it still. Like, shit, do you tape it to your face? Trying to hold it still and fit in between the crib. Ooh, child, hold on. I hope one ain't up and one ain't down. Do I need to pump it some more, child? Ooh. Okay. I don't see this one coming out right, but we about to see. I don't even feel like I did it on this one. Oh, I'm giving 2 people. Yeah, I don't think. Let me see, y'all. I ain't editing this out. This is the real. We struggle bras over here. Hey, wait, y'all just gave me. I can't remember how much I paid for this thing. I think it was like $6. I did get it from Amazon. I will have the link below because y'all know how we do. And y'all, if y'all get this thing, look, y'all know I'm struggling with this, so I think it's worth trying out. If you already got good bras, I'm jealous. But if you struggle with your eyebrows like me, give it a try. So here's the okay, so I'm looking at them and they're not shaped like this. They're not shaped like this. I want them shaped like this. So yeah, out of a 1 and a 5, I definitely give it a 1.5. You know, because you got the stencils. If nothing else, I can use the stencils and just use the pencil. A pencil to buy it. But I thought I'd show you guys. Like I said, it does come with 10 of your different molds. It comes with 2 spoolies in the actual stamp. It comes in several different colors. And I will link if you are interested, I will definitely link the link down below. Again, this video is not sponsored. It's just my personal, me bringing you news that you can use. So, with that being said, girl, I ain't even comfortable giving y'all all this eye edge. So let me put back on my specs. Yeah, this is more like it. Anyway, guys, if you done made it this far in the video, you are the real MVP, and this is why we call each other friends. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Stop what you're doing, come over. Come over. Come over. Come over.